Are you tired of having your kitchen cluttered with multiple cooking tools, pots, and pans? Do you dream of preparing delicious, home-cooked meals without the hassle and cleanup? Look no further than the Ninja MC1101 Foodi Everyday Possible Cooker Pro, a true game-changer in the world of versatile, efficient cooking. Let's dive into this culinary marvel that's about to revolutionize your kitchen experience. The Ninja MC1101 is an 8-in-1 powerhouse that combines the functionalities of 10 different kitchen tools into one sleek unit. It's not just a kitchen appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Here's a glimpse of what it can do for you. Number 1. Slow cook. Simmer your favorite dishes to perfection, letting flavors meld and intensify. Number 2. Sear, saute. Achieve the perfect sear on meats or saute veggies effortlessly. Number 3. Braise. Create tender, succulent dishes that melt in your mouth. Number 4. Keep warm. Keep your meals at the ideal serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy. Number 5. White rice. Cook fluffy white rice with ease. Number 6. Brown rice. Elevate your rice game with perfectly cooked brown rice. Number 7. Oats. Whip up hearty, healthy oatmeal for breakfast. Number 8. Pasta. Cook pasta to al dente perfection every time. Say goodbye to juggling multiple pots and pans. With the Ninja Foodi Pro, you can prepare your main dishes and grains together or separately, all in one compact cooking system. It does it all 30% faster than traditional cooking methods, thanks to its innovative technology. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or cooking for a family of 6, the generous 6.5 quart capacity has you covered. Imagine cooking 4 6-ounce chicken breasts or a hearty 7-pound roast in one go. Do you often find yourself impatiently waiting for your rice to cook? The Ninja Foodi Pro has your back. It can cook rice a whopping 50% faster than a traditional rice cooker. Imagine having perfectly cooked rice ready in a fraction of the time. This kitchen wonder is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can seamlessly transition your creations from the cooker to the oven. Achieve that delightful crispy finish or keep your meal warm until you're ready to serve. And speaking of serving, the package includes a handy rice spoon for easy scooping and serving directly from the pot. With its compact design, the Ninja Foodi Pro won't monopolize your countertop. It's tailor-made for everyday use, fitting seamlessly into your kitchen routine. Take charge of your cooking with adjustable temperature control. Whether you're craving a perfect sear or the tenderest of braises, you're in control of the heat. Who has time for tedious cleanup? The Ninja Foodi Pro is a breeze to clean. The pot, lid, and rice spoon are all dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup a quick and hassle-free task. When you invest in the Ninja Foodi Everyday Possible Cooker Pro, you get a complete cooking solution. The package includes a 6.5 quart cooking pot with cast stainless steel handles, a cooking base with cool touch side handles for easy transport, an oven-safe glass lid, a rice spoon for effortless scooping and serving. In conclusion, the Ninja MC1101 Foodi Everyday Possible Cooker Pro is more than a kitchen appliance. It's your culinary sidekick, ready to elevate your cooking game. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to a simpler, faster, and more enjoyable cooking experience. Whether you're cooking for a family or indulging in a solo culinary adventure, this versatile cooker has you covered. Upgrade your kitchen today with Ninja Foodi Pro.